Hello, welcome back or to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss a really powerful analogy that I came across a few days ago on the internet, and maybe this is advice I need as well, because when I read this at first it really hit me. It was almost as if God was showing me and telling me what I needed to hear. Okay, but basically, the analogy says that a bird is never afraid of the branch it lands on breaking because it trusts in its own ability to fly. I know. Every time I even think about it, it just really sticks with me because that is literally so beautiful if you think about it. Okay? But what is this trying to teach us? And how can we apply this in our day to day life? I want you all to be like that bird. Okay? For a second, imagine the bird was so afraid of every branch it landed on breaking that it just decided to never go near trees again. It decided to never go near branches again. It decided to never land on a branch and enjoy and eat fruits or whatever it is that they do. Imagine that scenario. How sad. And a little stupid, in my opinion. Because how long are you gonna let fear control your life? So be like the bird that does not hesitate to land on branches because it knows that even if the branch breaks, it will fly and it will find another branch. Trust in your own abilities to move on and move forward from situations, and be so confident in them that you're not afraid of failing, and you're not afraid to be pushed down. Because you know that if you are pushed down, you are very much able to move forward from it, and you are very much able to get through it. You're very much, you're able to pick yourself up from it. And having that sort of confidence is a game changer. I won't tell you that I'm perfect and I've mastered it. I have not. Okay? But I have noticed improvement in myself, and I can tell you that it is genuinely such a blessing. Okay, because now what happens is, see, first of all, I have adopted this mindset that there can always be something better for me. If a particular thing does not work out for me, it's because there's always something better for me. And I feel like this mindset change has really changed the way I think about things. I'm no longer attached to things, attached to things to the point where I'm chasing them. You don't want to be with me, you don't want to be in my life, oh, this is not happening for me, that's fine. I know God has something better planned for me. That confidence to get through things, and that confidence to move from things and move through things, that's what you need. Being afraid of failure is the worst thing you can do to yourself. You know that phrase that says rejection is just redirection? I want you to think about that. I want you to play it over in your head over and over and over again, because I truly believe that it is true. Okay, every time something doesn't work out for you is because a new door is opening for you. Every time people leave your life, it's because new people are waiting to enter your life. Have that mindset, and always be so confident in your own abilities, and have that much trust on yourself. Okay, have that much trust on your own strength to be able to move on from things. Be like that bird. Be like that bird that will explore every single branch, that will sit on every single branch, knowing that it could break any minute, but also knowing that it can fly. Okay, be like that bird. Never live in fear of things not working for you, because how will you know if they're gonna work or not if you never even try? How will you know if a person is meant to be with you or not if you never even try to make it work? It's just not possible, and I think it is very useless for us to just sit and dwell in these negative thoughts and dwell in that fear. Do something better for yourself. Get out of that fear. Okay, you know that you can get through things. I know deep down that I can get through things. I know you can get through things, and all you have to do is bring it to that surface, bring it to that level that you are confident in your own abilities. So this was a short video because I feel like people don't have enough attention to watch long videos, but if you do want me to make more detailed videos, because this is just touching the surface, but if you want me to make more detailed videos, or even if you have anything you want me to talk about, please do let me know. My Instagram ID is linked in the channel description. If you have any questions, if you want to share anything, you want to share your feelings, your thoughts and your experiences, feel free to do so in the comments. Or if you don't feel comfortable sharing it on a public platform, you can DM me and we can talk about it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.